In 3, 2, 1, go! Iyon, at syempre yung making candles pa. I-blow ka rin ang ating birthday girl. Iyan ka. Ready? And happy birthday! Everyone, isang malakas na happy birthday, Gia! 3, 2, 1! Happy birthday!